Welcome. Today we are revising biology from one work. Thank you for subscribing. Answer all questions in the spaces provided. State 4 ways in which study of biology is useful. Solving environmental problems. Entry into some careers. One gains scientific skills. Creates international cooperation. Name the characteristics of living organisms, illustrated by addressing heavily in human beings. Irritability. Question 3. Name the most appropriate apparatus that could be used to collect the following organisms. Grasshoppers in the school field. Sweep net. Aphids from leaves. Putter. Question 4. Outline 4 precautions during collection and observation of specimens. Collect only number needed to avoid wastage. Do not harm specimen during capture. Do not destroy the natural habitat. Handle with care. Immobilize highly mobile animals for easy study. Return live specimens to their habitat where possible. Name the branch of biology involved with the study of A. External structure of living organisms, morphology. Inheritance and variation, genetics. Study of chemical reactions in the body of living organisms, biochemistry. Question 6a. What is classification? It's the grouping of living organisms based on their similarities and differences. Who is a taxonomist? Is a biologist who studies taxonomy. Grouping brings together living organisms with similar characteristics but separates those with different features. Helps in placing living organisms into their correct groups for reference. Helps us arrange the information about living organisms in an orderly manner to avoid chaos and confusion that would arise if this is done arbitrarily. Helps us to understand the evolutionary relationship between different organisms. Question 7. To which kingdom do the following organisms belong? Human beings, Animalia. Mango tree, Plantae. Mushroom, Fungi. Protochista. Bacteria, Monera. Zidok is an offspring of a zebra and donkeys. Explain why it is infertile. Because zebras and donkeys belong to different species. Question 9. Below are abbreviations of some of research institutes used by biologists for research. Write their names in full. International Center of Insect Physiology and Ecology. Kenya Agricultural Research Institute. Kenya Medical Research Institute. Question 10. A Form 1 student examined a specimen whose length was 5 centimeters. Then she drew the diagram whose length was 15 centimeters. Calculate the magnification of the diagram. Magnification is equals to drawing length over actual length. The scientific name of human beings is Homo sapiens. Identify the mistake done when writing it. The two names should be underlined separately. Sapiens have started with a capital letter. What does each of the two words stand for? Homo is a genus name. Sapiens is a specific name. Name the smallest and the largest taxonomic units. Smallest is species, largest is kingdom. Question 13. Outline 3 external features of animals used in classification. Tentacles in hydra, shells in snails, feathers and wings in birds, scales and fins in fish, body pigmentation, AVP. Question 14. The diagram below represents an instrument common in biology laboratory. Identify the instrument, hand lens, or you can say magnifying lens. State the use of the instrument named in 1A above. Enlarging small objects. Name the parts labeled A, B, C. A is the handle, B is the frame, and C is the convex lens. Question 15. Which organelles in a cell does synthesis of carbohydrates? Chloroplasts. Question 16a. Define the term cell. It's a basic structural and functional unit of an organism. 16b. When onion epidermal cells were placed and focused along the diameter of the field of view, 10 cells were viewed and counted. Calculate the length of each epidermal cell in micrometers. Assume the diameter of the field of view. That is how you make the calculations. Question 17. The diagram below shows specialized plant cell. Name the cell, it's a root hair. Name the cell parts labeled E, it's subvacuole, or you can just say cell sub. State the functions of the part labeled C. Controls the functioning of the cell. How is the above cell adapted to perform its functions? It's elongated to increase surface area for absorption of water and mineral salts. It has thin cell wall to reduce distance moved by absorbed substances. D. From which plant tissue and organ is the above cell obtained? Tissue is the epidermis or piliferous layer. Organ is the root. Question 18a. Give reasons for carrying out the following during preparation of temporary slides. Cutting thin sections for easy passage of light. Staining for the parts of the object to appear more clear.